from me just rolls on past like it's always free. But I blow my heart with a heavy tone, trying to call back a name that died alone. River don't recall and the sky don't cry, so I play each night till the reeds run dry. A minor moan in a drowning key. My harp knows the words that won't come from me. When the frost was deep in the well, left his boots, left his smoke, left nothing to tell. Now the current hums where the silence grew, and my harmonica sings what the truth won't do. River don't recall and I don't forgive, I just bend these notes where the memory lives. A restless wind through a hollow shell, where the blues pour out like a prayer that fell. Ain't no saints in the soil, just bones and regret. Buried promises, debts we ain't paid yet. I plant my breath in the heart each night, trying to grow some peace 'neath the porch light. But the blues won't bloom, they just hang in the air, like a hymn gone wrong or a half-hearted prayer. I dig with my notes, blow deep through the pain, but you can't raise a dead with a harmonica string. He left in the fall, when the fields went dry. Took the sun, took the bottle, left nothing but wine. My fingers still shake when I pull on the string, but the harp agrees I ain't ready to sing. But the blues don't ask, they already know how sorrow slides down in a minor key slow. I play and I wait for the wind to forgive, but the dirt don't listen and the ghost still lives. up to thunder, sky burning gray. Coffee gone cold, another goodbye day. You left me nothing but a note on the floor, and the sound of that screen door